What's going on, YouTube fam bam? It's That's the Hobo Travel Nurse, and I am back with another video. Y'all, why I called my auto loan service company today and had a very interesting conversation. Stay tuned. So y'all, I did laundry today, and here's how that went. Okay, y'all, so as you guys know, I bought a car, a 2021 Cadillac CT5, April the 5th. That's when I drove off the lot with it. I paid 50% down. Not all 50% of that money went to the balance of the car because I had to buy different packages for the car, like the gap insurance, and I did buy an extended warranty. I bought quite a bit of stuff, and just in case, because you plan to do A, but you got to have a plan B as well. So I also got the interest rate down a little bit. As you guys know, I was not working the month of April, and I was not working the majority of the month of May. So my payment wasn't due until June 5th, okay? So they gave me all of April and all of May, right? So fast forward, I tried to make an additional payment again today. I only paid $3,000 in April additional, and while I wasn't working in May, I made another $3,000 payment, okay? But now that I'm working every week, I make very large payments to try to get a run off. So y'all, today I call in to make another payment, a large, well, some people may not think it's large, but it's large to me, another large principal payment, right? Y'all, why this man tell me, this customer service rep tell me, you know, I think that you're making a mistake. You're not being smart about this. Say what? So I say, I'm sorry, what do you mean? I'm not being smart about what? And he goes on to tell me that I am wasting time and money. First of all, that if I was going to pay the car off within 120 to 160 days, that I might as well have just paid the car off in 30, because it's wasting, it's like a wasted credit file. He said that it's not going to help me and that it's not going to build credit and that I'm just wasting money. He was like, well, if I had money where I could pay out $3,000 to $7,000 a week on something, I would invest it. I would invest in cryptocurrency. I would invest in Tesla. I would invest in all this other stuff. I wouldn't be trying to pay the debt off. He said, that's just not smart. And I said, well, that's your opinion. And y'all, I am not exaggerating in this next clip because this is exactly what I said and how I said to him what I thought about his logic. You wanna argue? I can't argue with you. You mad? I can't argue with you. No, look at you. Look at you. You mad. You been mad. And then you guys, he said something that I was like, no, he did not just say that. He said, and I quote, well, this is why you can't tell a woman anything, because they don't listen. And I just said, sir, can you please just process my payment? I just want to process my payment. He was like, I'm processing it, miss. I'm processing it. But I just feel like you're wasting money. And I said, okay, well, that's your opinion. And then he processed the payment and gave me my confirmation number and all that. But you can see it almost instantaneously in the app. And once I got off the phone, you guys, I was like, wait a minute. Aren't those calls monitored? Like, aren't they recorded or whatever? So I don't know, but what do you guys think about that conversation that I had with some random customer service rep at my auto loan company? Comment down below what you guys think about that. Thank you guys so much for watching. Please remember to like, comment, share, and subscribe. This has been Des, the Hobo Travel Nurse, signing off. Bye, guys.
Rebuke that devil. Say no to jealousy.
You wanna argue? I can't argue with you. You mad? I can't argue with you. No, look at you.
You're jealous.
Look at you. You mad?
You're jealous.
You been mad.
Say no to jealousy.
Y'all, it is raining really, really hard and it's scary out here. We almost lost control twice in the vehicle. The Hubbarton is driving and this is what we're driving through, y'all. Pray for us. Now, in the camera, it looks more clear, I guess because the camera, you know.
Can you turn the heater off or defrost the front windows? Because the heater is, look at it, you can't see anymore now.
Okay, let's see, defrost the front windows. I don't know what I'm doing.
God, Desiree.
Okay. Let me turn the heater off. Oh my God. AC. Okay, okay, baby, it's all right.
It's not because I can't see.
Okay. I need to find. All right, I was able to find where the defroster was. I don't even know how to use this car, man. I was able to find where the defrosters are. We're okay, guys. The husband is really upset. Okay. Yeah, we can barely see you guys. And you see, you can barely see in the camera too. So it's like 3 times worse than this, what you can see in the camera.